Warning: the following YessiLou Comics and Pops video may contain material that many parents will not find suitable for children 13 years old and under. Viewer discretion is strongly advised.
Oh, gonna give it a shot, only one of me, to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero. You're a superhero.
Welcome to YessiLou Comics and Pops. I am Lou. This is
Anthony.
And today...
Where's my Dorito?
Today... let me get the box over here.
What's wrong with this box? It's super big.
Today we got the Zecc box. I'm gonna put my address. Today we got the Zecc box.
I thought it's gonna be a shadow in this first video, but I hope there's a shadow in this one.
We'll see. I don't know. Shadow plushie? Maybe? Shadow from Sonic, by the way. What we got here? Okay. Let's see what I was doing this here.
Wait, another Zecc box.
Zecc box. Here's the Zecc box here. We got the Zecc sticker here. You got Spider-Man, Black Widow, Batgirl, and our floral stormtrooper. That's pretty cool. Pretty sure I have that one.
Another Hulk! Where'd it go?
Show the Hulk.
Guys, I have one question. These both are the same,
Yeah.
but the other one is just
You got
the
two.
real one. I'll let.
This is PJ Masks.
But it's broken, and we got another one, but the one is broken.
This is another guy, the blue guy.
Bro!
You got stickers here, patches. Yeah.
Romeo?
Romeo?
Maybe.
That show is show. And who's this guy?
That nature?
Something ninja? We got, what is that?
Oh,
Little tie things. Oh, very nice. Oh, these are cool. Yeah. Megatron. And Optimus Prime. That is sweet. Look at that, buddy.
Papa, can I have this one? Can I have this one?
Yes,
Papa, can I have this one?
sure. Some skull patches, these are nice. This is Stay Gold. A Star Wars logo. So is that it? Yeah, that's it. Oh, no. Winnie the Pooh. These are cool, I like these. This side here, what we got here? Hey, you get that box? Movie teeth, man. Good?
Look!
The Chai checklist. Two sides to this, huh? What we got there? A seal. That's him. Neil. Number 3 over here. His name is Neil. Very cool. It's a heavy one. Alright. 100. We got some comics, by the way. Oh, more stickers. Get the stickers out here. Ooh, that's nice. Loki. Nice Loki. We got Padawan.
Papa, look.
Sokotano.
Papa, his mouth is disappeared.
Boba Fett. Star Wars. Empire Strikes Back. With a Boba Fett card symbol. That's cool. Alright, Swamp Thing. 100 page. Giant. Number 1. This is cool. Chad, Zombie, Constantine. Nothing stays buried in the swamp. This is very cool.
Catboy's eye has disappeared.
Okay. Oh. Cool. Alright, and
Papa,
some bags and
Catboy's
doors.
eyes. One of Catboy's eyes has disappeared.
Free Comic Book Day. Judgment Day, Avengers, X-Men, Eternals. Yeah. Ooh, look, one Anthony book here. Spidey and His Amazing Friends.
Why is it free?
Free Comic Book Day. Every year you get a free. No, it's not free comic book. Oh, it is free. Okay.
It looks like the big one,
Okay.
the small one.
Cool.
But this one is real.
Very cool. Alright, we'll read that together. Spider-Man Venom, Free Comic Book Day. I didn't get to go out, but I'm sure everybody helped me out here to get everything I wanted. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Free Comic Book Day. This is.
Papa, you said you were going to go to your friend's house.
Hey, wrap around. I ain't going nobody.
Wait, Abba's going to go by herself?
No, she's not going no more. She don't forget. She stay home.
So why she
Free
said
Comic
he's
Book
going
Day.
to her friend's
Stranger
house?
Things. Cool. Alright. Look at this, buddy.
So why is she saying he wants to go to her friend's house?
She's not going. She changed her mind. Look at this. Sonic the Hedgehog is definitely an Anthony comic. Look at it in the back, buddy. I want to see it real carefully. Dark Crisis Special Edition. That is nice. Eve. Boob Studios, number 5. Very cool. Very good. House of Slaughter, number 1. That's cool. Nice cover. Tinian, Bromo, Del, Hedera, Tinian, Leto. Very nice little cover. Lighthouse, Jules Verne. This is a good story. Number 5. Ah, look at this, buddy. We got some Gundams. We got Gundam X here. These are.
Papa, look, it says Free Comic Book Day.
Yeah.
Today's that
See what it
day?
looks like.
Papa, is today that day?
No, that was in May. March, May. This is cool. Alright, yeah. Got some stickers. We got a little
Bruh,
kit. This is
bro,
another
you
video.
gotta be kidding me.
I like this.
Sonic is eating a hot dog with popcorn. And Tails is just drinking like,
We got a
eating
Gundam
like
Barbados
yeah,
Lupus.
eating like candy or something. No candies allowed in the movie
It
theater.
is cool.
Oh my god.
Alright, very cool. It's a quick box filled with cool stuff. We'll do videos on these Gundams, I think, this summer. That's cool.
How about, can we play with these?
We have to build them, but it has to be on video. Look, we have to build it. Almost like a Lego. I think we might need glue. I don't know. Let's see what we need for this. Make these robot toys here. Oh, no glue required. Okay, so just snap on. Okay. Very cool. We got some cool stuff in here. We got more Hulk, right? More Hulk. Got some cool patches, some cool comics. Yeah. Happy with this box. I want to thank Coffee Madness and Zenner for the Zecc box. Great box. Very happy with it. Lots of cool stuff. What else? You can join that.
Remember to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe, share if you want. Check out his channel, description below. Check out all the Zecc box channels. There'll be a description below.
Go to my channel.
Stay healthy, stay safe.
Louis out in
Anthony out.
mail.
Peace.
Can I be your superhero?